Hi everybody and welcome to this new tutorial. I'm Alvise, your plugin buddy, and I will explain you how to use dynamic goose plugins, also walking you through concrete use cases. Today we're gonna talk about dynamic visibility. We'll see how to use this tool to show or hide content on your site based on specific dates, times and days of the week. Dynamic visibility is available in two versions: the free standalone plugin Dynamic Visibility for Elementor and Dynamic Content for Elementor, the full suite that includes dynamic visibility plus more than 150 widgets and extensions. But in any case, both versions include the same time and date visibility features that we'll cover today. As you will see, this functionality is particularly useful, for example, when showing promotional banners only on during store opening hours, or to display special offers during specific periods of the year like Christmas or Black Friday. It can also be very useful if you want to hide or content outside customer support hours, or to show different messages on weekdays and weekends. So let's not waste any more time and let's see how this plugin works with a practical example. Okay, so here we have my fake pizzeria's webpage, Alvise's Pizza. And as you can see, there are several elements in the Elementor's layout. All of them can be hidden and show with the Dynamic Visibility plugin. But at the moment, I want to focus on this Order Now button because I want to show it only on specific times of the day. So we click on it and then we go to Visibility. And as you can see, there's the Dynamic Visibility plugin. We enable it and then we go to Triggers, Date and Time, and a new section appeared, Date and Time. We open it and as you can see, there are several options. So for the moment, we're gonna focus on the first one, on the last one, time from, time to, which is the time slot where we can add a specific time, so the button will show only on that time. For example, I want to show Order Now only from 11 a.m. till 11 p.m. So here we're gonna add 11 on time from, and on time to we're gonna write down 23, since the plugin works with the 24 hours format. In this way, dynamic visibility will show my element only from 11 a.m. till 11 p.m. If we need to set a time that crosses the midnight, no problem with that, because we just need to add, for example, let's say 10 p.m., 7 a.m. Dynamic visibility will deal with it without any kind of problem. So now let's focus on the second option. Let's say that you have to show the button only on specific days of the week. Here there's a section, days of the week. Here we can click on it, and as you can see, there are the days of the week. For example, I want to show it on Sunday and Saturday. In this way, the dynamic visibility will show the button only on Sunday and Saturday. The third option I want to show you is the date from, date to fields. These two fields use a full time and date picker that will allow you to add a specific date. For example, like a limited time campaign. Here, for example, I have a Christmas banner that I obviously want to show only during the Christmas time. So I go to date and time, and in date from, I choose 20th of December starting at 7 a.m. and date 2, we go to December again, 27th, let's say, and it finishes at 8 p.m. So dynamic visibility will show our banner only during that specific time. And finally, we have the fourth option, which is perfect for seasonal content that repeats every year. In this case, we're gonna use period from and period to. The system automatically handles periods that cross the year boundary. So for example, if we add December 20th like before, and here January 6th. Dynamic visibility will show the element every year from December the 20th till January the 6th. This is perfect, for example, for holiday greetings or seasonal promotions. A very useful thing about dynamic visibility is that you can decide to combine all these options together. So you can show your banner starting from 7 a.m. till 7 p.m., from Monday through Friday, from December the 1st till December 24th. And all these conditions must be satisfied for the element to be visible. But there's also another option. For example, you want to show the banner only when at least one of these conditions is satisfied. In this case, you go under visibility, and in logical connective, you enable the option all. In this way, the plugin will show the banner even if just one of the conditions is satisfied. And finally, there's another cool option, which is the display mode, because you can actually invert the visibility of the element. For example, you want to hide something instead of showing it. So in this case, you just click on this button hide, and the command is inverted. So, dynamic visibility gives you complete control over your content visibility based on time. In this way, you'll no longer need to remember to manually publish or hide banners and promotions, because the system will do it automatically for you. And whether you're using the free plugin Dynamic Visibility for Elementor or the full suite Dynamic Content for Elementor, this time-based visibility features works exactly the same way. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you find it helpful. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and see you next time.